Ready to ditch the endless property scroll and get instant updates on listings that match your client's dreams? Let's dive into how real estate agents can set up property search notifications on Zillow to get alerted the minute a relevant listing hits the market. First, head over to Zillow.com and make sure you're logged into your agent account. Now, in the search bar, enter the location or neighborhood you want to focus on, like Austin, Texas. Zillow will populate a drop-down menu. Select your desired area. Next, refine your search using the filters above the map. Click on Filters and a panel will appear. This is where the magic happens. Set the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, the price range that fits your client's budget, and the property type, whether it's a house, condo, land, or something else. Click on More for advanced options like square footage, lot size, year built, HOA fees, and even keywords like fireplace or updated kitchen. The more specific you are, the better the results. Once you've perfected your filters, look for the Save Search button in the upper right corner of the screen. It looks like a little bell. Click it. A pop-up window will appear, asking how often you want to receive notifications. Choose between daily, instant, or weekly depending on how competitive your market is. For hot markets, instant is your best bet. That's it. Now Zillow will automatically send you email alerts whenever a new property matching your criteria is listed. You'll see a notification icon on Zillow when new listings appear as well. Now go get those dream properties for your clients.